data that's stored in a Destiny estimate really provides what we need to really build that database that we want to achieve. Number one, it helps us to challenge our internal estimates. You know, we're putting estimates together all the time, and it's nice to go back and look at past history to see, you know, how does that compare to what we built in the past. So it allows us to challenge our internal estimates, but then also allows us to challenge our subcontractors and our suppliers as they're submitting them to us. We can kind of take a look at what we've seen in the past, and at least we start. It gets us to ask the question why. Like, why do these costs not align with what we've seen in the past? It also helps us to justify our pricing to clients, right? So we give clients pricing all the time, and they look at it, and if they want to challenge our numbers, well, we can produce the data now that says, well, this is what we've seen in the past, so this is what we think your building will cost in the future. The implementation took quite a while, but our guy was Casey Wilt. He was awesome. He was just awesome to really work with, and really got us started in the right direction, and continues to kind of be our go-to guy when we have little things that maybe aren't quite right, or, you know, there's so much to learn. You're like drinking from a fire hose, right? So you're constantly like, I know we talked about that, but I don't quite remember how that works. So a quick call to Casey, we can usually get our questions answered, and he gets us set in the right direction. We talk to Mo quite a bit on the technical side. He's really helpful. You know, just have really developed some pretty good relationships with a lot of folks at Beck Technology, and kind of a side benefit that I didn't know was coming was it kind of connected us with some companies, you know, other clients of yours that have really been nice, not only for kind of bouncing ideas off each other in terms of how we use Destiny and the software itself, but also just general, you know, pre-construction related stuff. You know, we're all a bunch of pre-construction nerds, and we all kind of just, you know, we can bounce things off of each other, and we do it in a friendly environment, and it's pretty cool to have that kind of that support group. What I really like about it is just the amount of data that's contained within the estimate, and the ability to filter and to sort and to just manipulate that data any way that you want. You know, the WBS properties is amazing. I mean, it's just the way we can slice and dice our estimates and present the information in different ways to our clients is really pretty amazing. We're starting to really use the project screen in Destiny. That's something that we have just recently figured out, and it's a really powerful tool. You know, that kind of that spreadsheet integration that we can feed stuff into the estimate. So we're starting to, you know, feed quantities and project attributes and things like that into the estimate that we can pull back into our data analytics software and really filter our projects based on that. The all-in-one thing is nice, you know, having the takeoff and being able to do everything in one program rather than take it off in one program and put it into Excel and then dump it into another program. So, you know, that is a big thing, being able to just kind of have a one-stop shop for everything that we want to do. And then just some of the new stuff coming out, you know, the bid day is really cool. That's something we're really excited about. So yeah, it's just been a lot to like.